Hey everyone, Hallie Tally here, digital diva and owner of Nights of Bytes. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, and I'm here with your daily business cybersecurity briefing. I haven't been doing these lately, and I apologize for that, but I'm back in action today, and I want to talk to you about a little trend that we're starting to see on the East Coast slowly trickle its way westward. What I'm talking about is that a handful of states have already enacted cybersecurity laws or standards for insurance carriers. We already know that New York, Michigan, Ohio, and South Carolina already have these types of laws in the books. And Mississippi, Connecticut, and New Hampshire have laws either on their governor's desk or in their state legislature right now, just waiting to get approval. And the reason I'm bringing this up, because even though the laws vary state to state, they all are trying to do the same thing. They're trying to apply cybersecurity standards for insurance carriers to better protect consumer data. It seems like every week, sometimes even every day, we hear about a major hack. Facebook, Yahoo, Home Depot, Target, JP Morgan, you name it, we're hearing about it on a consistent basis. Where email records have been hacked, consumer data has been released, it's for sale on the dark web. We're hearing about it over and over and over. And so states are starting to try and establish a set of standards that at this time insurance carriers need to follow in order to best protect consumer data when it comes to cybercrime. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is because even though we don't live in those states, or you may not be an insurance carrier, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We will start to see not only these handful of states enact a legislature like this, but other states do that similar for maybe insurance carriers or even expand it beyond that. In fact, Ohio has a law, actually, I don't want to call it a law, but it's a framework for small businesses to follow to help better protect their business from cybercrime. In fact, they actually give tax incentives to those small businesses that follow their framework and enact all of those cybercrime or cybersecurity practices. And the reason states are doing this is because they're understanding that cybercrime affects businesses regardless of size and regardless of industry. It is a huge threat to the way businesses behave and act on a daily basis. And so these states are starting to enact legislature. We're going to see it spread across the country and go beyond insurance carriers. Now, when that's going to happen, I can't tell you if it's going to be today, tomorrow, or next week, even next year, but you will see it. And one of the reasons I bring this up today is because not only will it impact you in the future, you need to protect your business from cybercrime today. Again, we hear about in the news, large businesses getting breached, hacked all the time. Small businesses too, they just don't happen to be on the news. So let's make sure that you have cybersecurity standards in your business. Make sure that you're talking to your IT person about any new trends that you need to be aware of when it comes to cybercrime. Stay ahead of the curve and don't wait for it to be too late. As always, you can watch this video on our Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube channels. Please like, follow, and share us there. Have a great day, everyone, and safe computing.